Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for all of us working from home, productivity hacks for remote workers. So grab your notepad because you're going to want to jot these down. Join me as we embark on this journey to unlock the potential within and conquer the remote working world. Here in the heart of the domestic jungle, the remote worker must first establish a territory. A dedicated workspace, a sanctuary of productivity, is crucial. This needn't be an elaborate construction, but a clearly defined zone. Just as a bowerbird adorns its nest, personalize your workspace with a favorite plant or calming image. Clutter must be diligently kept at bay. A clear workspace fosters a clear mind. Consider the lighting and ambient temperature. A well-ventilated space bathed in natural light can invigorate the senses and enhance focus. Establishing a dedicated workspace is akin to building a nest, a secure base from which to launch daily expeditions into the digital world. Observe the cyclical nature of the natural world, the ebb and flow of tides, the changing seasons. The Pomodoro technique, a method as simple as the migration of birds, can significantly enhance productivity. This technique involves working in focused bursts of 25 minutes, followed by a short 5-minute respite. After 4 such cycles, a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes is taken, allowing for a more substantial replenishment of mental energy. The short breaks provide an opportunity to step away from the screen, stretch the limbs, and refocus the mind. The Pomodoro technique is a powerful tool for taming the often chaotic nature of remote work. The digital world, while a source of opportunity, is also a teeming jungle of distractions. Social media notifications, streaming services, and endless emails can lure the remote worker from their tasks. Applications designed to block distracting websites can act as a digital fence, keeping the focus firmly on the task at hand. The temptation to multitask must be resisted. True productivity lies in singular focus. Consider turning off notifications, creating a quiet space where deep work can flourish. By actively managing distractions, the remote worker creates a more conducive environment for focused work. Just as early humans fashioned tools from stone and bone, the modern remote worker can leverage the power of technology to enhance their productivity. Project management software, online collaboration tools, and time-tracking applications are essential tools for navigating the modern working world. These tools allow for the efficient organization of tasks, clear delineation of responsibilities, and seamless collaboration with colleagues. Time-tracking applications allow for the meticulous monitoring of work hours, providing valuable insights into how time is spent. By embracing these technological tools, the remote worker equips themselves with the necessary equipment to thrive in the digital landscape. Just as a healthy ecosystem requires balance and diversity, so too does the remote worker need to prioritize their own well-being. Self-care is not a luxury, but a fundamental necessity for maintaining productivity and preventing burnout. Regular exercise invigorates the body and clears the mind. Even a short walk in the fresh air can provide a much-needed boost of energy. Meditation and mindfulness practices can calm the mind and reduce stress. Adequate sleep is essential for restoring energy and preparing for the challenges of the day ahead. By prioritizing self-care, the remote worker cultivates a healthy inner ecosystem, a thriving landscape where productivity can flourish. All right, that wraps up our top productivity hacks for remote workers. Which tip are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow remote workers. By sharing these tips, you contribute to the growth and well-being of the entire remote working ecosystem. Until next time, keep hustling and stay productive. Bye!